From the international relations, some of the most important topics include the G20, which is the GPA, the Global Biofuel Alliance. Now, this is an expansion of G20 for standardized biofuel trade and technology. The next one is IMEC. Now, this is the India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor, where bilateral agreements between India, UAE, and Saudi Arabia have become very, very important. The next one is the BRICS Plus. Now, BRICS Plus is the expansion of the existing BRICS group, which would include Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, and UAE. Then is Quad. Now, Quad is the quadrilateral security dialogue. It focuses on what is called as the maritime dominance domain awareness. Now, this is specifically in the region of Indo-Pacific to actually counter non-traditional security threats that could be in the region. ASEAN Summit. Now, under the India-ASEAN relationship, it's really important that 2025 was called as the year of digital cooperation for mainly for the export of India's UPI, that is the Unified Payment Interface, to the Southeast Asian nations. So again, a very, very important topic. Which nations now accept India's UPI and the structure of UPI? Very, very important and highly likely question for your upcoming prelims examination. Of course, we'll be covering more interesting topics. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.